The vector's collective invocation and declaration, all self-incarnations, in all time vectors, declaring in unity as the avatar self. I decree now, in this moment of knowing, that all things here within me are henceforth restored to the original divine intention of the one self that is mine. I release now all bonds of manifest illusion that place veils of self-forgetting before mine eyes. I revoke all separations of duality through which my heart is rendered numb with dissolution and discord. In this moment, I reclaim the whole of my condition, reaching forth into the depths of all creation to now call my spirit home. I am the sun of the radiant glowing. I am the heart of divine love. I am the still point of the face of all creation. I am the voice of the universal song. I decree now, in full remember knowing, that I am all and we are one. In setting forth this decree of my eternal divine power, I shall render divine intention only, through which the all and I are equally served in the highest order of our collective best divine intention. I call now unto the many selves and shadows ensconced within the illusions of time, and decree unto that, I am this, I am. I am the wind that brushes thy faces. I am the rain that renews thy field. I am the whisper of the breath of God within you. We now are the expression of divine heart, mind, and hand. We are the rumbling hymn song of the earthen worlds of matter. We are the prana breath of God eternal manifest. We are the waters of eternal life forever outward flowing. We are the cooling life force flame of the cosmic fire expressed. In our union, now and always, declare we in our wholeness that all dissidence is rendered spent, all conflict now made healed. I, as we, do now decree, through the divine intention, wisdom and power that is mine, to express now, as this moment, beginning and new completion of a manifest expression in its originally intended divine fulfillment, its past, present, future, full reunification. Upon this present time, clearing all duality, disharmony, and distortion. Anchoring of the divine blueprint is henceforth fulfilled. The expression of the divine intention is rendered manifest in all conditions to which I now hold claim. And so it is. 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉 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 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉
Lava unishmatai, otum eteshteshali. Lava unishmatai, esnaveho ensadikali. Nita ordu eteshadai, nifake enteshalore. Desalai nuruja entishmadidi. To blend na hirudale. Lava unishmatai, otum eteshteshali. Lava unishmatai, esnaveho 𝒕𝒔𝒉. Nita ordu eteshadai, nifake enteshalore. Desalai nuruja entishmadidi. To blend na hirudale. Bitu eteta ete, janate uetae. Bitu eteta ete, ishanu enashale. Ishmatai ete korebe, isala ente shadore. Sanu enle tamusha ete utaleni. Blende sunuake. Lava unishmatai, otum eteshteshali. Lava unishmatai, esnaveho ensadikali. Nita ordu eteshadai, nifake enteshalore. Desalai nuruja entishmadidi. To blend na hirudale. Lava unishmatai, otum eteshteshali. Lava unishmatai, esnaveho ensadikali. Nita ordu eteshadai, nifake enteshalore. Desalai nuruja entishmadidi. Lay to blend ahiruda. 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉 Malika ihaura, maramaya manaki, 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉 Tireshara dikesheta amira pranachi, manuekwe dakuki maayana treari, malika ihaura, maramaya manaki, 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉 Ireshara dikesheta amira pranachi, manuekwe dakuki maayana treari, malika ihaura, maramaya manaki, 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉 Ireshara dikesheta amira pranachi, manuekwe dakuki maayana treari, malika ihaura, maramaya manaki, 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉 Ireshara dikesheta amira pranachi, manuekwe dakuki maayana treari, malika ihaura, maramaya manaki, 𝒕𝒆𝒔𝒉 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 Manu ekreda kukima ayana treyavi maneka ihapura aramaya manaki uma etreina ekasha irishara dikesheta amira planachi manu ekreda kukima ayana treyavi maneka ihapura aramaya manaki uma etreina ekasha Irishara dikesheta amira pranachi manu ekreda kukima ayana treyavi maneka ihapura aramaya manaki uma etreina ekasha Irishara dikesheta amira pranachi manu ekreda kukima ayana treyavi maneka ihapura aramaya manaki uma etreina ekasha Irishara dikesheta amira pranachi manu ekreda kukima ayana treyavi maneka ihapura aramaya manaki uma etreina ekasha Irishara dikesheta amira pranachi manu ekreda kukima ayana treyavi maneka ihapura aramaya manaki uma etreina ekasha Irishara dikesheta amira pranachi manu ekreda kukima ayana treyavi maneka ihapura aramaya manaki uma etreina ekasha Irishara dikesheta amira pranachi manu ekreda